Welcome to Togile CRM. In this video, we'll show you how to manually add a new lead using a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, go to the Leads tab located on the top navigation bar. This section allows you to manage all your incoming leads efficiently. Now, click on the Add Lead button at the top right of the screen. This will open a form where you can enter the lead's details. Enter the lead's core information, such as name, phone number, and lead status. These fields help in initial identification and categorization. Now, fill in the lead's email address and assign it to the appropriate lead owner from your team. This ensures proper follow-up and accountability. Once you've filled in the details, click Save. Now left scroll the lead table. You can click on the column header, Created At, in the Leads table to change the sort order and to bring the newest leads on top. You can also use the Quick Lead section for faster entry. For that, click on the plus icon. Then, click on Lead. Enter lead information here, such as name, email, phone number, status, and lead owner. You can also include additional fields based on your business needs. And if you need more specific data, you can customize the fields to match your business process using the layout configuration settings. Once you've filled in the details, click Save. Next, click on Refresh button to update the table. And you've successfully created a new lead. That's it. You've learned how to manually add a lead in Togile CRM. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick CRM tutorials.